Mac's driving the WJ.
My neck hurts.
She's riding on her permit. She's actually 16, but...
I'm supposed to get my license tomorrow, but we're in Canada, so...
Almost. Gavin's chilling in the back. Allie's quiet mouse over here. Just, I don't know what she does the whole time, but she occupies herself. And that's a foot to the face. You're doing a good job, Mac, handling this Jeep. The Jeep's got a little bit of a wander, so either I'm not sure, something, either the pitman arm or something is a little teeny bit loose because it wanders back and forth just the slightest bit. But you can see her having to make tiny little corrections. But she's doing good. Good job, Mackies. Alright, we're day 3, I guess. It's Friday. We just hit the Michigan border. Jeep's running like a champ. Mac just did a nice little, about a 3-hour stint of driving all through Ohio. And man, the AC is dripping some condensation like crazy. I'm just going to check it out here real quick. Looking a little rough. Vibrating quite a bit. Got lots of condensation on the evaporator there. And the tire, I guess that is. Man, look at that water just dripping off of there. Good Lord. Like, I guess we got a little tire rub happening there, huh? Anyways, kids are all in the bathroom, but Jeep's running like a champ. Here comes Gavin. Gavin, what's your assessment of the trip so far? We just made it to Michigan.
Why are you so close into my face?
What? Hold on, I think I see a pimple. Well, we have made it to Port Huron. We're at the Blue Water Bridge. We've been already sitting here in line for about 10 minutes. Looks like this might take quite a while. I'm ready to get out of this Jeep, Gavin. Mac, you ready to get out of this Jeep? Allie, you ready to get out of this Jeep? Have you gained 10 pounds riding in the back of this Jeep?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see, we've consumed a thing of Oreos, a thing of Nilla wafers, a big giant thing of Twizzlers,
Pretzels.
a big bag of pretzels. What else?
Little Bites, Pringles.
Little Bites, Pringles.
Skittles.
Smart Food.
Tootsie Rolls.
Oh yeah, a whole big bag of popcorn. Yeah. Well, hopefully this will move along here. Alright, we made it to Canada. We're at a secret location, going to a secret island, visit my parents. There's no cars or even golf carts on the island. So my dad's on his way over right now, right as it starts to rain. Alright, it's starting to rain.
Smells like Canada.
Smells like Canada. We made it, 1,100 miles. Woohoo! Alright. Alright, here he comes. Is he going? Yeah. There's my pops. Hello!
All right. Thanks for seeing us, son.
What's happening, Dad?
Man, we've been waiting for you.
I know,
guys.
jeez.
You think you go all the way to the front, please?
All right.
Man, we've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Man, that was the drive. Long way, son.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to blame you for the rain. I'm not gonna...
Right, it probably hasn't rained at all, right?
No, it
Until
hasn't rained.
like 2 seconds ago. Yeah.
Hasn't rained in
Yeah.
So you guys get here.
Alright, well, let's get this loaded up, Mac.
That's not a good sound.
So, guys, when was the last time you guys were here at the island? You were probably like
I think
Sixth
it was
grade.
like 11.
11?
11 about.
3 or 4 years ago?
Oh, I'd say so. Well, I've got some
10,
pictures
11?
with some dates on it, so we'll find
Yeah.
out. But I'd say 4 years ago.
I think it was like.
I know I have the one picture when we went fossil hunting, but they were little then, like 5 or 6, 7 years old then. They had to have been here since then.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright. So we're on our way over to the island. The only way to get here is by boat. We're going to the little dock up here, Gav. There's Grandma Kathy. Hi, Grandma. Did you guys find some friends?
Yeah. This is
Oh. Kobe.
and Rocky.
Aw. Hey, buddy.
So pretty on.
How you doing? Huh. Aw. Here, let me get a pic. The main dock here is just about underwater. The river's up about 4 or 5 feet, I would say, from normal, and so everybody's having serious dock problems.
Like if Italy.
We're fishing. Gavin just caught a second walleye in about 2 minutes of being out here. Oh yeah,
Nice fish, Gav.
I got that one on film. Good job, Gavin.
All right, Jim.
I mean, how long have we been out here?
Second, Jim.
5 minutes.
Alright, so here we are, Gavin, with Grandpa. We were just out doing some walleyeing. We got our limit and had to throw, what, 3 back?
Yeah,
as we
lost
went.
one on the net.
We lost a few. Lost one on the net.
Had one that had a little virus on it. Had to throw him back. So we caught 8, 9, 10. Well, at least 10, right?
Yeah.
Because we threw
I mean, Dad lost a lot.
Oh, had a few nibbles.
Yeah, I had a few hits.
Yeah, Gavin, you had one on the line and you didn't even know it.
Yeah, well, I still brought him in, didn't I?
Good stuff.
He's in stealth mode. Isn't he?
I'm thinking walleye fish fry. It's coming our way.
Well, the way I put these on the stringer, I go through his nose and then through his lower lip, and they'll stay out here 24 hours, nice and fresh, and they don't die.